Welcome to Cold and Delicious, you guys. Today we are going to be making watermelon juice two ways. We have some yellow watermelon juice and some red watermelon juice. Both are seeded. Let me show you how to juice on a budget. Come on. Usually during the summertime, we'll see a watermelon cleanse slash fast slash detox pop up where people are doing strictly watermelon juice or just eating watermelon for a certain period of time. And it's not just because of the amazing benefits. Calling all juicing beginners, people who want to be budget friendly, this is the juice for you. Watermelon juice is too budget friendly, okay? You can get one watermelon, maybe spend $10 on it and get you over a gallon of juice. There's nothing else that is going to do that for you, okay? Watermelon juice is the truth. Now, some of you may be like, yellow watermelon, what the hell? Yeah, and it's bomb too. I've made it before. There's actually maybe one or two videos on this channel already with yellow watermelon. I know I've mixed it with blueberry before and it was delicious. I'm excited. I have all the jars that I have available right now because I'm going to need some backup. Matter of fact, I might even need, hold on, backup. So I have 2 extra glass containers. This is an old kombucha container, and then I just have this pitcher. So yeah, I think we're gonna need this as well. All right. Oh, I cut that terribly. Look at that, you guys. Yellow watermelon, so freaking good. This is the way that I prefer to cut my watermelon. There are 2 or 3 sections like this. I'll cut a section like this, and then I'll cut a smaller section like this, and then there'll be the other piece that's going to look like this. And what I just like to do is I just like to go down to get the rind off. But last time I made juice, I actually left a bunch of the rind on and it was still delicious. So we're going to be juicing watermelon rind too today, you guys. And then it really doesn't matter at this point, especially because it's getting thrown in your juicer. So just cut up the watermelon. It don't need to be cute. This next part, let's keep it all on. I need some better knives, y'all. So the peel actually contains way more benefits than people think. Some of the properties are actually even richer in the peel than they are in the flesh of the watermelon. So peel talk. Watermelon rind, I know why I keep calling it a peel. Watermelon rind actually contains more L-citrulline than the flesh of the watermelon. And the L-citrulline is actually an amino acid that helps to relax your blood vessels, improve your circulation, and it can also help your endurance during a workout. The rind is also rich in chlorophyll. You guys know chlorophyll is great for body odor, it's great for your skin health, and it's going to have some anti-aging properties, okay? This rind is going to help support your kidneys with detoxing the body. Most of these benefits are included in the watermelon and the rind. So watermelon in general is a natural diuretic. So a natural diuretic is going to help to flush your system out, flush your body out, help to flush out any excess sodium, things like that. So natural diuretics are what's going to make you go, okay? So watermelon is definitely that. That's why whenever you eat or drink watermelon juice, you got to go to the bathroom. You got to constantly pee, because your body is flushing out because it's a natural diuretic. So the rind is divine. Say it with me. So let's juice this yellow watermelon first, and then we'll move on to the red. We're using our Nama J2 juicer. Of course, you guys already know, discount code down below in the description of this video. And I love this juicer because you don't have to cut things up super little. And then the best part about it is I can put all this stuff in here, load it into the hopper the way I'm doing, and I don't have to sit here and push it through or feed it through. Yeah, this juicer is amazing. I did put it in the dishwasher, put the top in the dishwasher, and it morphed it. The heat morphed it. That dishwasher is really hot, so now it is a little bit of a struggle to close my lid. Okay, so this happened quicker than I could even prepare for, like. But you see how much juice we have already, you guys? We already have like 75 ounces of juice, and look at how much watermelon is left. Eek. That was way too full. Let's handle that. Yeah, if this was cold, yeah, maybe some lemon in it. But I think I only have a couple limes left, and I don't really care that much. This is gonna get drank quick. You should ideally put some lemon or lime in your juices. That way, it can act as a natural preservative. But these will be drank fast. Okay. All this darn watermelon juice I'm making. I want y'all to see just how much one watermelon makes before watermelon season is over, you guys. Oh, good. All I did was screw on the tops. We're gonna clean up in a second, you guys. Juicing on a budget. Do you hear me? Yeah. I'm gonna finish this yellow watermelon up, and then we'll come back. Okay, you guys. So this actually overwhelmed me a little bit because I wasn't expecting this. But maybe it's because I'm also I usually use my 32-ounce jars. These are all 16-ounce jars. So I think there's just a little bit of a difference. Well, a lot of it of it is cut in half. So it's just way more jars. So it looks like a lot of juice. It is a lot of juice. And then you see had to give me a little cut. Let's take a sip while we count how much we got. What's 12 times 16? I don't know. Equals 192 plus 32 plus, we'll say 6 ounces. We'll say 6. 230 ounces of juice from one yellow watermelon. No, nothing else. No lemons, no limes, no apples, no nothing. 230 ounces of juice. There's 128 ounces in a gallon. This is almost 2 gallons of juice. So we'll just round up because I did spill some. So we'll just say this made 2 gallons. 2 gallons of juice from one watermelon is crazy. Now, if you are not going to be drinking, I don't recommend you juicing all this at one time because I don't want you to be wasting your money letting yourself spoil because your juice should be in the fridge for no more than 72 hours. So what I'm actually going to do though, let me show you. Because I already have some. I have 4 of these in the freezer. This is yellow watermelon juice as well, just frozen. As you can see, I leave some room in the jar so that way I can freeze them and they can expand without shattering, exploding my jars, okay? I just filled them all the way up to the top for the aesthetic purposes and so we could really get an accurate count of the ounces. But after this video ends and all that, I'm going to dump some of the juice out of some of these, leave some room, and we're going to be putting some of these in the freezer, but we'll also put some in the fridge. So yeah, this is a lot to handle if you are not prepared. Let's go ahead and move this into the fridge now, and then we'll start on this red. I don't know where I'm going to put on this. What am I going to do? We'll figure it out. Oh, I'm ready to be done juicing. Tell you that much. All right, you guys. So this is the red watermelon juice. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with this. All right, you guys. So I was able to find some containers and I did add it up. So we also have over 2 gallons of juice. I cannot believe we have 4 gallons of juice right here from 2 watermelon, you guys. So make sure that you get some watermelon if you are trying to juice on a budget. Trust me, that is the way to go, you guys. Make sure it's seeded. If you can't find seeded, do what you got to do. But I will see you guys for the next video. Thank you for joining me.